Merry Christmas! Welcome back to the channel. So you've been commenting on Instagram and YouTube and asking what cars we've got here. So I'm going to go a bit more into depth this time so you can see exactly what's here. Let's have a look at the Brabus. So this is a Brabus 850. Really rare car. I ended up getting it from Slovakia because I couldn't get it from anywhere else. But we'll have a look around it and you'll see just how mad this thing is. So Brabus are a company which get a Mercedes, rip it apart and then just add their twist to it. This is actually left-hand drive, so you can see the modifications they do is very extreme, and that's what Brabus are really well known for. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is the craziest and best sounding car I have ever heard. Thing never gets boring.
Please tell me you finished revving up. You sent us asleep there.
All done.
Happy
In trouble again. So next one is a Mercedes A45 AMG. So again, quite a rare car because it's a yellow night edition. I didn't do many of these. I did have one before, but some idiot stole it off me, so only just replaced it. So looking forward to having a go in that. So this here is a Renault RS18, the very last of this Clio shape, so a special edition again. This actually got stolen the same time as the A45, so just replace this one again because a great car, great collector's piece. It's actually numbered, this car. Sorry it's a bit dirty, but there you go. This one's number 73. Not sure how many they're made, but like I say, it's really nice to get them personalised with a number. Well done, Renault. And of course the versatile SVJ, but you've already seen that. But we are going to do another video on that together with the STO. So a lot of people have been asking what's behind this curtain, and you have seen a little bit and mentioned it. So we'll go through there and show you a few hot hatches which I've managed to acquire over the years. So the first one is the Renault 5 GT Turbo, made famous by the old Ali G. When I was growing up, I was desperate for one of these, but never got the opportunity. My friend used to pick me up and go to college on a Wednesday, so it was the best day of the week. They were very unreliable, and a massive argument on what was the best with one of these. The Peugeot 205. Again, desperate for one of these when I was younger. And they did two versions, a 1.6 and a 1.9. And this is the 1.9, the real sought after collectible one. So this one is the Clio V6, legendary in its day because of its mad looks. Mid-engine car, rear wheel drive, no traction control, deadly. And we're going to do a video on that very soon. And out the back, Aston Martin Signet. Now, I've only ever seen one of these before, and I bought it because it was so rare. They bought them off Toyota to get their emissions down even further because they had to meet a government average. Extremely rare. And behind me is a little Brabus. Now this is called a Brabus 125. Pretty mad car. They only ever made 125, and the guy who bought it off told me it was the only coupe. He might be lying. And this car behind, the little Fiat 500. We were actually in a field racing one day, and we looked on Silverstone auctions, and this was for sale. And Jane said she wanted it to go down the shops in, so it's a mad thing. Just look how small it is. So I know this is a bit of a mixed match, but I am into collectible rare cars. But if anybody wants to buy one, let me know. Nothing is for sale, but everything's got a price. Apart from the missus, she is not for sale. Jane is a keeper. We've already seen that. I hope this wasn't too boring just pointing them out, but obviously you've been asking to see what's here, so for now I just want to put a bit of a taster into what we've got. But drop some comments, let us know what you want us to do with them. So if you think this lot are weird, Jeremy Clarkson recently said that the French are weird, and I'm just going to raise the game. The Citroen Ami. So the stats on this thing is it's about 1 brake horsepower. It's the slowest car in the world, but the most quirky thing I've ever had. Just to back up Jeremy Clarkson's theory, this is weird. So this one, the door opens up that way. This one opens up that way. And the reason behind that is to save money. So you can see the front and the back of the car are identical, and it's just the doors the other way around, so they've halved the panel cost. Crazy, but a great idea. So these are really popular in France, and the reason being is over there you can drive one of these when you're 14-year-old. It's classed as a quadricycle, so it's like a moped. But bless our English government, you've got to be 17 here, so a total waste of time. So this has been a mad end to 2021. I've always watched YouTube, but I never thought I'd actually end up on it. Like, let's face it, I'm a middle-aged dad, and I didn't think my life was this interesting. So thank you for watching and all your support. We hit 10k subscribers in a month. It's just mind-blowing, and I am super appreciative, and I hope you continue to watch. And now this thing, I don't even know how to put this in words, but it's here. It could have ended up in some collection and never to be seen the light of day ever again, but this is probably going to end up on its roof, and we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But here we go. I'm going to get the whole family out for this, because this is not just my journey, it's my whole family's journey. Are you going to start at the front?
Wow. Come on then.
Come on, can you unwrap it?
Can you unwrap it?
Help Daddy.
Is it Daddy's racing car? Yeah. Tell Mummy what it is.
So now, what is it?
Dad's racing.
Daddy's racing car.
Senna, what is it? It's Daddy's racing car, isn't it? Yeah. Come on then. Oh, you don't want to? You don't want to cruise inside?
Let's go.
No.
Okay. Does Daddy want to sit inside?
Yeah.
So now, do you want to come in this
Do you want
one?
to come in this one? Do you want to go in that one? Okay then.
I don't think she knows what this is.
Mommy, it's one.
You want to go in this car?
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah?
It's a motor. It's so big.
She has no idea who Ken Block even is. Thanks again for watching.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Daddy's trying to film me, Senna.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Christmas, Christmas. Mommy, not Christmas. Bye-bye.
So, have a great new year. Happy New Year. I hope you get everything you dream of. See you next time.